All right, let's talk about that dreaded afternoon slump. We're going to tackle it head on. Forget the quick sugar fix. We are arming you with a toolkit of delicious, high-protein snacks that are super easy to prep and will keep you feeling full and energized all day long. Okay, let's dive right in.
You know exactly what I'm talking about, right? It's 3 o'clock, your energy just tanks, and your brain is screaming for a snack. And for so many of us, the go-to is something sugary or carb-heavy. You get that quick spike, but then the even bigger crash, leaving you totally unsatisfied and wanting even more.
But what if I told you there's a better way? Enter our hero, protein. The science on this is pretty clear. Protein is your secret weapon against hunger. It actually signals fullness to your brain, it slows down digestion to keep you satisfied longer, and it keeps your blood sugar stable. No more of those crazy energy spikes and crashes. And get this, your body uses more energy to digest protein than it does for carbs and fats. Seriously, it's a total win-win.
Okay, so how do we actually do this? Let's start with the absolute easiest options for those super busy days, the zero prep, grab-and-go classics. First up, we've got a true champion of portable nutrition, the humble, hard-boiled egg. Just prep a batch at the beginning of the week, and boom, you're set for days. Now, 4 grams might not sound like a lot, but each egg delivers around 4 grams of really high-quality, complete protein. It is the perfect portion-controlled powerhouse to keep you going between meals. And here's the real magic. Because eggs are so filling, studies have actually shown they can help you eat fewer calories later in the day. Plus, they're packed with essential nutrients like B vitamins, so it's way more than just a simple snack. Next on our grab-and-go list is a simple handful of almonds. They're crunchy, they're satisfying, and they're just so easy to keep at your desk or in your bag for that exact moment hunger decides to strike. And the protein payoff here? It's fantastic. Just a 1-ounce serving, which is about 22 almonds or a small cupped handful, gives you a solid 6 grams of protein. But it's not just about the protein, you know? Almonds are also packed with vitamin E and healthy fats, and some research even links them to a healthier gut. The real key, though, is to stick to that 1-ounce serving to get all the good stuff without overdoing it on calories. Now, those grab-and-go options, amazing. But what if you've got, 2 minutes to spare? Let's level up with some quick, assembly-required snacks that deliver an even bigger protein punch. All right, let's settle this once and for all. Not all yogurts are created equal, not even close. Greek yogurt, over on the left, is strained to get rid of that extra liquid whey. This one simple step makes it so much thicker, and it concentrates the protein, giving you almost double what you'd get from regular yogurt. And that makes it way, way more filling. So what can you do with this champion of yogurts? You can make a delicious parfait. Just layer it with some fresh berries and a sprinkle of nuts, and you've got a snack that feels like a seriously decadent treat. And would you just look at that number? A standard container of Greek yogurt can have around 16 grams of protein. To give you some perspective, that's like eating 4 hard-boiled eggs worth of protein in one go. You know, as a rule of thumb, anything over 10 grams is a really high-protein snack, which makes Greek yogurt an absolute all-star. Craving something savory instead? Well, it does not get much easier than these turkey roll-ups. They're like a little mini bread-free sandwich. You just lay down a slice of turkey, add a slice of cheese, maybe a pickle spear, and roll it up. The whole thing takes less than a minute. So each one of these little guys packs about 6.5 grams of protein from the turkey and the cheese. And the best part is, if you want to boost that up to hit that 10-gram mark, just add another slice of turkey. It's that simple and totally customizable. Okay, to round out our little toolkit here, let's dive into some awesome plant-based options. The USDA actually recommends varying your protein sources, and these snacks make it easy and delicious to do just that. You know that craving for something crunchy and salty? Yeah, ditch the potato chips. Roasted chickpeas are the perfect alternative. You can make them at home with a little olive oil and your favorite spices, and they are so satisfying. A half-cup serving of these crunchy little things gives you a very respectable 7 grams of plant-based protein, which, hey, puts them right on par with that handful of almonds we talked about. And it's not just the protein. Chickpeas are basically little nutritional powerhouses. That same serving has 6 grams of fiber to help keep you full, plus essential nutrients like iron and magnesium. It's a snack that really works on multiple levels. And another plant-powered superstar? Edamame. You can find them pre-cooked right in the frozen section. All you have to do is give them a quick steam or pop them in the microwave, add a sprinkle of salt, and you've got a perfect, satisfying snack.
And you're not going to believe this. Just 1 cup of edamame delivers a whopping 13 grams of protein. This really shows you just how powerful plant-based protein can be, easily clearing that 10-gram threshold for a high-impact snack.
Whew. Okay, we've covered a ton of ground, right? We've got grab-and-go options, quick DIY ideas, and some amazing plant-powered proteins. Now, let's pull it all together into a clear, simple snack strategy. So think of this as your new high-protein cheat sheet. We've recapped some of our top contenders here, and as you can see, whether you have 0 time or a few minutes, there's a great option waiting for you. We even added cottage cheese, another grab-and-go star that offers an awesome 14 grams of protein per half cup. With Greek yogurt still holding the top spot at 16 grams, this is your go-to guide for smarter snacking. So there you have it. You are now officially equipped with the knowledge and the options to totally conquer that afternoon slump for good. The only question left is, which one of these delicious, protein-packed snacks are you going to try first?